Hello friends, welcome to my channel Famous GK Study. First question is, what is the weight of human eye? Option A 8 gram, option B 6.5 gram, option C 7.5 gram, option D 8.5 gram. Correct answer is option C 7.5 gram. Next question. A normal human blood pressure is less than option A 140 by 88 mmHg, option B 19 by 60, option C 128 by 82, option D 120 by 80. Correct answer is option D 120 by 80 mmHg. Next question. How many bones does a child have at birth? Option A 300, option B 206, option C 250, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A 300. Next question. What is the normal temperature of human body? Option A 30 degrees Celsius. Option B 37 degrees Celsius. Option C 40 degrees Celsius. Option D 34 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is option B 37 degrees Celsius. Next question. What is the name of biggest part of human brain? Option A cerebrum, option B cerebellum, option C brainstem, option D midbrain. Correct answer is option A cerebrum. Next question. What is the largest organ of human body? Option A heart, option B lungs, option C stomach, option D skin. Correct answer is option D skin. Next question. What is the weight of human brain? Option A 1.1 to 1.2 kg. Option B 1.2 kg to 1.3 kg. Option C 1.3 kg to 1.4 kg. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option C 1.3 kg to 1.4 kg. Next question. What percentage of body weight is blood? Option A 20%, option B 15%, option C 10%, option D 7%. Correct answer is option D 7%. Next question. What is the name of brain cover? Option A pericardium, option B pleura, option C meninges, option D none of these. Correct answer is option C meninges. Next question. Where in the body new blood cell made? Option A heart, option B liver, option C bone marrow, option D none of these. Correct answer is option C bone marrow. Next question. Which blood group is universal donor? Option A O positive. Option B AB positive. Option C AB negative. Option D O negative. Correct answer is option D O negative. Next question. Which blood group is universal accepted? Option A O positive. Option B O negative. Option C AB negative. Option D AB positive. Correct answer is option D AB positive. Next question. Dialysis is used for which treatment? Option A heart weakness. Option B diabetes. Option C liver cirrhosis. Option D kidney failure. The answer is option D kidney failure. Next question. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Option A calcium sulfate. Option B calcium nitrate. Option C calcium carbonate. Option D calcium phosphate. Correct answer is option D calcium phosphate. Next question. What are the bones around chest called? Option A clavicle. Option B radiate ligament. Option C rib cage. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option C rib cage. Next question. Which is the largest gland of human body? Option A liver. Option B pancreas. Option C spleen. Option D gallbladder. Correct answer is option A liver. Next question. What substance are nails and hair made of? Option A keratin. Option B fibrin. Option C epidermis. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option A keratin. Next question. What is the shape of DNA called? Option A multiple helix. Option B single helix. Option C double helix. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option C double helix. Next question. What is the weakest bone in the body? Option A tibia. Option B skull. Option C spinal cord. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option C spinal cord. Next question. What acid does the stomach produce? Option A hydrochloric acid. Option B nitric acid. Option C sulfuric acid. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option A hydrochloric acid. Next question. How many times a healthy person breathes per minute? Option A 12 to 20. Option B 72 to 82. Option C 30 to 35. Option D 72. Correct answer is option A 12 to 20. Next question. What are teeth made of? Option A bone. Option B, keratin. Option C, dentin and enamel. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, dentin and enamel. Next question, how many layers of skin do humans have? Option A, 3. Option B, 2. Option C, 7. Option D, 4. Correct answer is option A, 3. Next question. What percentage of the human body is water? Option A, 90%. Option B, 80%. Option C, 70%. Option D, 60%. Correct answer is option C, 70%. Next question. What is the name of cover of the lungs? Option A, pericardium. Option B, meninges. Option C, pleura. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, pleura. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.